Good morning. It's Sunday, August 16th, day 279 of my 10,000 steps a day challenge to myself. It's 68 degrees. It's 8:30 in the morning. Let's go get some steps in. Starting out in Morningside this morning. I do have to get some running in today. My 5K is October 17th. And I just like to keep building on my running every week. It is beautiful out. It is a touch more humid. It's 70% humidity because we're supposed to get heavy rain and storms tonight. But right now, it's all good and dry, so let's get going. Now down at Gulf Beach. It's only 9:15 in the morning and the parking lot's full. People are playing volleyball already. Got a yoga class. No breeze. See by the flagpole, it's limp. And I'm sweating to death from the run from Morningside through Point Beach, through Bayview Beach to here, to Gulf Beach. I'm gonna relax a bit at the harbor over here and stop sweating profusely and watch the boats for a few minutes before I resume my run and walk. Let's keep going. In downtown Milford at the duck pond behind City Hall. Waterfall's nice and healthy still, and we're supposed to get very heavy rain again tonight. It pretty much rains almost every day in Connecticut, so it'll be even healthier tomorrow. Let's keep going and explore downtown Milford. At the baby waterfall on Upper West River Street at the Upper Duck Pond. It's so gorgeous today. How blue the skies are. I'm kind of surprised there's nobody around fishing or anything. Let's keep going with these steps. Day 279 complete. $31,748. See you all tomorrow. Bye.